Hey, Jeannie Lynch coming to you. So excited to do a beautiful collab with other phenomenal YouTubers out there. So we're getting together and we're really just focusing on our top 3 picks for fall. And what does that mean? It's different for each channel. So my channel, Jeannie Lynch, one-stop shopping for everything spiritual. I'm going to share spiritual modalities for a spiritual life is a focus that I've been doing for a couple years on my channel. And today I'm going to share my top 3 spiritual modalities that I learned because I did the video, but more importantly, I've incorporated them in my daily life and I want to share them with you. So stay listening. That's coming up next for me, my top 3 fall picks. Okay, are you ready? My top 3 fall picks for this collaboration with other YouTubers. Human design, it was the first interview I did, and I'll tag the video here and show you what it looks like. But human design, if you don't know what it is, it's new agey, but it is astrology, it is the chakra system, it's personality types, all mixed into one system. And you can learn about what you came here to learn. You can learn personalities about yourself, the channels that are blocked. It is so fascinating, and you can get these charts for yourself. So my top number 1 pick for spiritual modalities is, if you don't know what human design is, please look it up. It's phenomenal. Change your life, okay? My number 2 system that I love, spiritual modality, is Enneagrams. I love Enneagrams. They're personality types and they're all based on your answers. So you answer a whole bunch of questions and you answer them 10 different ways. And if you've ever worked in the corporate world, you know there's a way that they can profile you. And so it's profiling, it's typology, I guess we'll call it. But what I love about it, it shows you a better way to move through things. It tells you the tendencies you have to sabotage yourself. It shows you a better way to show up. So it's like at-home therapy for your soul. If you don't know what Enneagrams are, there's ways to get tested. I'll tag again that spiritual modality. And the last one I want to share is the last one that came to me and it's got me rekindled. And it is the practice of pulling out daily cards. And what I love about pulling cards for yourself, my top pick, is that you can pick a deck that's for you. I've got a friend that's a mermaid. She would get mermaid cards. Some people are into animals, right? There's totem animals. I just recently got a deck about the moon and I've been using it for my spiritual practice. So I offer that as a top tip 3 pick because you can get a deck for yourself. And I think we all could use a little help, a little re-gauging, a little focus, a little mindfulness. And the idea is that you ask a question that you're kind of facing for that day. What's the best way to approach my day today? What does the card have to say? You pull a card. It gives you focus, usually has a little long write-up. You can carry the card with you. You can dedicate your yoga practice. You can go into meditation with that card. There's so many different ways to use it. So those are my top 3 picks. Thank you so much for collaborating. I'm happy to be part of this. It's Jeannie Lynch. Check out my channel for more of this content, and we'll see you out there in YouTube land. Bye for now.